Welcome back, yogis, to Become Yoga School's Yoga for Zoom. This is a quick flow to help you out between Zoom calls, conference calls, or video chats. Let's get started in Hero's Pose on our knees and toes. This is Hero's Pose with toes tucked, a toe stand. It's going to help open up the fascia, the tissue along your backside body.
Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let it go. Sweep your arms up, lift and twist toward me.
And shave the shoulders, pushing back, 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 back. Circle the arm, lift it up. Inhale, lift and twist to your right. Feel that right shoulder push back and then shave. 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle the arm, inhale, lift up. Twist and open. Circle the arm, lift up. Twist and open. Circle the arm, lift up, gaze, eyes up, twist. Circle the arms, lift up and twist. Circle the arm, lift up. This time, untuck your toes, sit back on the heels.
And then circle your arms, sweep them forward. Come onto all fours here. Tuck your toes, inhale, lift the heart into cow pose, back bending. Point your toes around the spine and push into the front ankle.
Tuck the toes, lift the heart, and then point the toes, press into the toenails, round the spine, hug the belly up. Arch spine, tuck toes, rounded spine, pointed toes. Inhale, arch the spine. Exhale, round the spine. So we're getting the front side and back side, moving all that tissue around. Come into neutral, walk your hands forward, tuck your toes, and let's take our first down dog of the hour. Draw your belly up, let your head come between the triceps, and then draw the shoulder blades back as you rotate the arm bones outward. If you look forward, you'll see your thumb and pointer finger make pretty much an L shape. And if you look backward, you'll see your feet hip width apart, your knees engaged and lifted by your quadriceps. And then just settle in here. Lift your left leg in the air, down dog splits. Bend the knee, open the hip, but keep your shoulders square. Think of dropping your left shoulder toward the mat. Circle this ankle in the air 3 times and reverse that circle. Step the foot forward, drop the back knee, and then bring your hand onto your knee. Reach the arm to the sky, twisting away, and like a book, you're going to close the cover, touch your toes. Inhale, open the cover, touch the sky. Close the pages of this book. Inhale, open the chest, pages wide. Fold it back in, open the spine, close it in. Open it again. This one will hold. Look upward, open the chest, circle the arm back, land it on the floor. Tuck the toes, come into a seated twist, tuck your knee underneath, lift your arm, take it across the thigh, and then lift and twist toward the back space of your room. Try to get 2 hips on the floor in a neutral stance, meaning 50-50 left to right. And then gaze past your back shoulder. Unwind here, take it back to the low lunge. And then press palms down, downward facing dog. Draw the shoulder blades together. Lift your right leg in the air, open the hip, bend the knee. And then same thing, circle the ankle here, good morning foot. Circle the ankle the other way. Step that leg forward into Anjane Asana. Drop your back knee down. And then we'll do that open the book, close the book, spinal twist. Inhale, reach your top arm to the sky, open the chest, look at the thumb. Close the book, inhale, wind it up. Exhale, wind it down. Inhale, open the chest, spiral the spine, close it back in. 4, close it down, and 5. Look up at the top thumb. Hold the shape, pull the shoulders back, enjoy that heart opener. Plant this palm down, step your back toes to tuck underneath you. This knee comes underneath your top knee. You're going to lift and twist, hugging your front leg, and then spiral around. There you are. I see you again. Remember, it doesn't matter what you see in your space. It matters that you feel grounded in the hips and open in the heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. Unspiral from this twist. Half floor to the fishes pose. Find a low lunge, 2 palms down, and then downward facing dog. Very nice. Coming into Dolphin Pose here, bring your elbows onto the floor, pull your shoulder blades out of the ground, and for some people you have to walk the feet a little forward or back. Feel free to trial and error there. Feel your arms shoulder width apart, your elbows super duper strong, your hips lifting high to the sky, and let the neck just go. Shifting forward into Sphinx and then resting on the mat. Bring your arms in a T shape. Simply rest face down here. Give yourself a moment away from the screen to regather your energy. Bring your palms beside you, wrap elbows in, lift the heart, come to a back bend that feels lovely to you right now. And as you exhale, elbows close, lower your face to mat. Inhale, press up, coming into Cobra, King Cobra, or Up Dog. Exhale, lower yourself back onto the mat. Inhale, press into fingers, lift the heart, roll the shoulders back, lengthen the elbows strong. Exhale, keep the elbows close, working the triceps as you lower the face. Inhale, lift up, squeeze the low abs and pelvic floor. Exhale, lower down. Gorgeously done. This time you're going to sit back to child's pose, knees wide, hands forward. And if you are between a lot of video conference calls, you're going to take your knees a little wider, which just might help open the hip flexors if you've been seated for a long amount of time. Let your chest and forehead melt onto the mat and simply breathe. Be okay with not doing anything. Keep breathing. Crawl your fingers forward now. Coming into extended puppy pose, you're going to draw your hips right above the knees. Crawl your heart and fingers forward. I like to do chin tip on the mat. You could also do forehead to the mat, whatever works for you. Another pose where we simply find it and then we breathe into it. Inhale, relax the ankles. Exhale, bring yourself into Sphinx pose on the elbows. Lift the heart, lift the belly. Lower down. And then spin it over onto your backside. We're coming into a crisscross goddess pose, Baddha Supta Konasana. But let's start with knees together, feet apart, arms in a T shape. Again, practice the art of doing nothing. When you're ready, we're going to crisscross the ankles underneath us, if it's available, like a pretzel. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, and give yourself this moment to rest in the shape. Reach your arms into a cactus shape, 90 degrees at the elbows. And here, try to get your fingernails onto the floor, really helping open the chest. Step the feet wide to switch the crossing of your legs, and then bring your hands back to heart center and the belly, switching the hands for our second side. When you're ready, open the arms to that cactus shape, 90 degrees, make a big rectangle with your arms. Breathe into your back body, settle your hips. And then draw your knees into the chest. We're going to roll up and come back into our hero's pose, Virasana. And then bring your hands into your heart center. Breathe in. And as you exhale, take a forward bow. Thank you so much, yogis. You did great. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications. Comment down below. Tell me, what other videos are you looking to flow with? And until I see you next time, please remember to inhale positive and exhale negative.